What up, what up? It's the big step of the well-known flex of the girlfriend, yeah. You know the rest, and you watching all Urban Central.
Oh, Mr. Montana.
How y'all doing?
I love your music. I love your style.
I love it.
Keep it up, baby.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
If we get a picture, it's up to you.
Hell no.
Huh?
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Come on. You know, obviously.
Oh, 100%.
Colorism joke.
Oh, forget it, bro. It's up.
I own Saudis, 2 gas tanks. On 2 gas tanks in Saudi.
Double kick. When you want to get in? In the car with the. I'm like, y'all niggas vibe. That's love right there.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? What's up, baby? You know what we do when it's Eid time? You know I come see.
Yes, sir. What's up?
Ooh. You ain't.
All these blessings.
Rubies and sapphires.
Every time they want you to slip, man, go see the jeweler. Get some water on your neck.
بكم على متن قطار الحرمين السريع والمتجه بمشيئة الله إلى محطة المدينة المنورة مرورا بمحطة السليمانية في جدة متمنين لكم رحلة سعيدة.
Dear guests, welcome on board Haramain High-Speed Railway.
How are you?
We out here living like locals. Give me that.
Habibi, Ammi. Through the back blocks of Saudi and no security. Assalamu alaikum.
بتوجيه من خادم الحرمين الشريفين وسمو ولي عهده منصة إحسان التي تقوم بدور عظيم في جمع الزكاة والتبرعات